Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find where the engine prefuse box fuses and relays are located. Now, we will demonstrate on that Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes and one of those is the engine prefuse box. But that prefuse box has another fuse box that actually controls it. It's really complicated. We'll try to clear things up today. By the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. And you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the engine prefuse, prefuse main fuse box, well, let's talk about that now. Things are confusing, but guys, 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes do not know about all the hidden different fuse boxes in it. You have 6-7 different fuse boxes that most people do not know they even exist, and some don't look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel guys, that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. If we open the hood now, let me show you what we have here guys. Check this thing out, facing the engine on the passenger side, on the left side, passenger side of the vehicle. You see that cover here that has a battery sign. If you open it, that's your positive jump starter terminal, right? It looks like this one. But if you look at another angle, this is actually, guys, a fuse box. There will be many cables going in it. It's a pre-fuse box, guys. And if you open it, okay, it will look something like this one. You have multiple fuses on the inside. But now, I want to say something guys. That fuse box is controlled by another fuse box that supplies power to it. And where is that fuse box? Come to the inside of your car. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses, okay, let me show you now, without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, here what we need to check, you will need to remove your glove box. Behind the glove box on the left side in the dash, you will have the interior prefuse box with many cables of course, and when we open it, it looks just like this one. Here guys, okay, the main supply, okay, for that fuse box, what you will need to check now is that fuse right here and right here. These connections will need to be checked, but since you're already here, if you don't have any power to the engine prefuse box, check all of these fuses guys. They are very, very important fuses. Another thing that you want to check is fuses for the front SAM control module, SAM control module. Okay, those can actually cause the front prefuse box to be a little bit unresponsive too. So if you don't know where the front SAM module fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those prefuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses. We'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.